Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the Philippine National Bank. For that you will have to come here on pnb.com.ph, which is the PNB Bank or the Philippine National Bank. Over here use the search bar on the top and look for the SWIFT code. If you find any of the articles relating to the SWIFT code, you just have to go through that and try to get the SWIFT code related details here from the official bank. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, you can just simply scroll down a bit and here you will find bunch of different contact numbers and the email addresses of the bank. So you can either call them on this given number or you can just simply use the email addresses to write them and get the information about your SWIFT code. You can also come here on bank.codes, which is powered by Wise. It is the website that you can use to get the SWIFT code of any of the banks in the world. So here let's just try this. First of all, select your country, then select your bank, which in our case is the Philippine National Bank. Here it is. Now select the city and it is going to show you the SWIFT code as per the details that you have mentioned here. So this way you will find the SWIFT code of the Philippine National Bank. Now you can get it and now you can start using it to make your international transaction. You can just directly copy them from here as well. You can send and receive with the help of this website too. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.